Alright guys, so right now we're at Whittier Park, walking through the trail, and we seem to have lost our way.
Yeah.
It's just me and my sexy ass girlfriend. Look at her.
Babe!
Look at her. All sexy and shit.
My turn. Alright. Sorry for the bad camera quality. But like, we kind of went off the trail because we were going the wrong way to like where we want to go. But like, as you guys can see, I feel like we're gonna get attacked by something. Look, there's a bunny. There's a bunny over there.
I think I saw it. Is that Ben?
Yeah. It looks pretty dry out here. I feel like if I light a match right now.
Somebody on a bike.
Somebody on the bike over there on the trail. Nothing new.
Ooh.
What was that?
Let's jump over this.
So there's this big log right here, guys. Well, there's a couple of them. Yeah, my baby just... Alright, so we're right here where this fence is at.
The entrance is over there.
The entrance is over there.
Remember we walked this way too?
Did we?
Yeah, last time.
Yeah, guys. So I'll pick up the vlog as soon as we get to somewhere more interesting, because right now it's like not that good.
Right now you guys are gonna see the riverbed.
I don't know if you guys seen. I don't know that. Yeah, you guys are gonna see the riverbed right now, but I don't know if I got this on camera. Like, there's a bunny right there, rabbit, whatever, running over here. You will be seeing a lot of those, anyways. Oh, you see?
There's one right there. You caught that?
Yeah, I think. Okay, guys. We'll be back. Real quick, I just wanted to show you guys these things right here. I don't know if you guys could hear them. But it's like really staticky. And it always trips me out whenever I come here. But yeah, guys. I'll be right back. Jump, baby. Look at what that says.
We are now entering a wildlife sanctuary. No horses, bicycles beyond this point.
But usually we'd be seeing like horses up on the riverbed over there. But yeah, guys, I'll be right back. So look at these sewer pipe things. Like, look, if we really wanted to, we could go down this way and just go to the other side. But we're just gonna go around. Look, okay. Actually, I want to show you guys this part. It's like a little like pond. I don't know what you want to call it, but it's like pretty interesting. Like, I could literally walk down there. Babe, you wanna walk down there?
Oh shit.
Should we? Sorry guys again for not filming from the beginning. But I'll make sure to insert like a little picture on, you know, I'll make sure to insert a picture of how it looks from the front, like entering.
Hello! Jeepers creepers.
For real. There's another one over there, guys. Okay, we're gonna go check it out from the other side. We'll get back to you guys when we're on the other side. So look, guys, we just made it here, and it's locked. So I guess we're gonna have to jump it, or if my fat ass could fit in through there, which I doubt. Gates 4:45 p.m. Okay. fuck. Now I have to make it, or else I'm gonna be a fat ass. Don't record it.
She did it. She looks fine, doesn't she?
Okay. So we finally made it.
4:45.
Yeah. Sorry guys if I'm like doing it sideways and then like upwards and stuff. That's not my intention.
I remember when this shit had water, I jumped in here.
Oh look, this is where that guy Carlos lives. Remember that guy that was gonna give Lena a car?
Yeah.
He lives somewhere down there. This is where I was sitting when that guy approached me.
So you came walking more down over here?
Yeah, I was trying to make time go by fast. So we're gonna go down there. I want to show you guys somewhere that we found last time, which is more over there.
Yeah, it's like a fucking jungle.
It's like a fucking jungle and shit, but like, I also want to show you guys somewhere like where some tweakers and stuff have like their little it smells like fire, so I think somebody's burning, like making something to eat or some shit down here. But there's another spot over there, guys, which I'll probably do in another video, because I don't know if we're gonna walk down that way. Babe, I'm scared.
And my shoes feel all fucked up, like.
Gosh,
Like the
show.
bottom right here, like
Gosh, show.
this part right here feels all fucked up.
Okay. Guys. Oh, I almost slipped.
That was my hand.
Guys, hold on. This is so steep, guys. Like, I could fall down at any second now. But let me just show you guys. There's somebody in there, guys. Should we go check it out? I'm kind of scared. Babe, I'm kind of scared to go down this way.
Oh, right here.
Is there a condom? Oh no, it's a chile. Oh, this is the other side of the sewer. Guys, you wanna record it? Oh, I didn't remember where the guy lived.
They're all chilling, huh?
For real.
Let's go. Let's go back up?
You don't wanna go check?
Yeah, but you don't want to.
I don't. Cause I don't know who's in there. You wanna go tape it? You down?
We'll go ask him for a cigarette.
Where is it?
Hey, you got a cigarette? You got a cigarette? No? Huh. Look at all these little tadpoles. Ooh, there's a fish right there. Right there, look. You see?
What the fuck is all this?
Look, you see it move?
What?
They're like trying to go under the rock, but they can't. Look, you gotta stick it. Look.
I think we need flash. Hold up. Okay, go. Ah! Where'd that shit move?
Ooh, there's a big ass one right there.
Ooh. Jake, take it out, take it out. Ah! Sick.
Right there.
Adventures with
Right there, right there.
Ruby and Alex. Ooh, let's try to get something to capture it.
Like what? Nothing. I'm just trying to take it out.
Guys, so there's a fish stuck in there.
Okay, it's right here.
Let me try to see if there's something up here. Guys, I really want to take that fish out. Probably this broom. Took it out? Ew, guys, look at it. Take it out all the way. Our first fish, guys, ever. Without a fucking fishing pole.
And it had 3 fucking eyes.
Without a fishing pole,
Should I put it
guys.
back in the water?
Fuck that, I want to save it.
Look, you all dying.
It looks so cool. Like, I've never captured a fish before.
There's no bottles or something?
I'll pick up the vlog, guys, as soon as we figure out what we're gonna do. Alright, guys. Ooh. There you guys go, fish. Ooh. There, let it go.
That was cool.
For real. Fucking on bullshit. Shout out to that guy for bumping it in there. For what, babe? What do you want to go in there for? Alright, guys. So the fish got away, I guess. Whatever.
That was our first fish though.
That must be the world's record to catch a fish without a fishing rod. So this guy left, guys. Now you guys have it from the riverbed in El Monte. You know, it looks nasty as fuck in here.
I heard it's pretty clean in there. Yeah, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Somebody's house.
Girl, fresh house at the riverbed. This way, kind of. Alright, guys, we'll pick up the video as soon as we get to somewhere interesting. From that way. Alright, guys, so we weren't walking, not even that far. I think his name's Carlos. And we found a campsite somewhere over there. I don't know if you guys could see it.
Can we go explore?
There's a guy, if that's the guy that I'm talking about, he has a machete, guys. And I know because I've been over here before and he's approached me with the machete. Yeah, guys. So, we'll be right back. Random little tenny flowers. Alright, guys, so we were going the wrong way. I remember it being somewhere over there, but I don't remember being up here in this trail right here. So we just found like a little trail to go down, luckily. And we're gonna go down this way. But he was gonna help me get down here.
Yep.
If I had a tripod, guys, I would be chilling, but I don't have a tripod. Like, what the fuck is this?
If you guys give us that thumbs up, that like, you know, we'll buy a tripod and our videos will come out a whole lot better.
No, that tripod's just to hold the camera right. This looks like the back of a truck or some shit.
For people.
But yeah, guys, make sure to like and subscribe if you guys want to see more videos of us exploring the city of what?
Monte.
Supposedly. But yeah. So.
Gang, gang. Copyrighted.
Alright, guys. That's enough of the music because I don't want to get copyrighted in this bitch. Like when you use somebody, like a song, any song and shit, and like they don't give you money for it because you used the song, it's not yours.
So what? Oh, this says they don't give you money for it?
No, because it's demonetized or something like that. Right, guys. That shit looks fucking like an animal or some shit, like a dick or some shit. But I'll pick up the vlog as soon as we find something else that's interesting, guys. Okay. Channel.
You're gonna fucking copyright.
Oh yeah. Ignore that, guys. Hopefully you guys didn't hear the song.
But just pause it.
I mean, it wasn't more than 15 seconds, so I think it's okay. We're almost here, guys. I just wanted to start recording to show you guys that we're almost here to the spot.
It's a sanctuary.
It's a little sanctuary. So it turns out I was right and we were going the wrong way the whole time. But it's like behind there, the fence right there. That's where the spot is. Let's hope nobody's there. I'm pretty sure somebody's gonna be there, but because there was somebody living there last time. But yeah. So this is what it looks like. Make sure to leave a comment in the section down below to let us know what you guys want us to explore next. There's no more gypsy house, guys, so don't tell me to go explore the gypsy house because I've made a video of it before, but my boyfriend broke my phone and it had all the footage in it of the gypsy house. We do know the gypsy guy that owns it, Johnny. Shout out to you for letting us ride in that Ferrari. But yeah, guys, so if we find him, we'll let him tell you guys more about that. But for now, we're just gonna show you guys the secret pathway. See this shit, guys? See this shit? It's not that. I don't remember this being here before.
You don't?
No.
Remember I was sitting down there?
So these are just little spots, guys, that you guys could come and check out if you guys are ever interested in coming down here, which I doubt. That's why you guys are wanting us to come do this shit, but I thought I heard something. But look, there's a little blanket in there. Somebody's just chilling in there. It's probably not that exciting as I thought it would be to show you guys, but it's something that probably you guys didn't know about.
Looks a lot different, huh?
Yeah, it looks quite interesting in there actually. Alright, guys. Bye. Walking back. This is like the trail back. We just wanted to show you guys a few little things that we missed. We weren't too sure if you guys wanted to see those little details or not.
We saw those birds right there.
Supposedly. We're at 0 right now.
Oh yeah, we wanted to give a shout out to somebody
Who? I'm gonna give a shout out to Daisy. I don't know if her Instagram's gonna be active again, but if it is, her Instagram is bighead_Daisy with the DAYSY.
Shout out!
Okay. Look, guys. Damn, that little fun. He did that with his nose, guys.
Fuck.
I could fucking cut this rope off and hang this motherfucker with it.
Too small.
Nah, tie all these together. Look, guys, this is where my baby lives. That's some beaver type shit. I just want to show you guys some of the, for those of you guys who live in Monte and like the nature views and stuff. This is, look, what the fuck is that? Sheriff's Department? What the fuck? They're out here like that?
They're really out here like that?
Dude, you think there's a cop that lives in there right now?
I don't know, let's go see.
Comment down, if you guys get this video to 1 million views, we will make sure to go check out that RV. Here, let me try to zoom in for you guys, because that shit looks pretty dope. It literally has like sheriffs all over it.
With an air conditioner, 2 air conditioners on top.
For real. Okay guys, I don't know what the fuck that was. Okay. Wow. How cool. So guys, don't, make sure you guys aren't doing any nasty shit over here. Little nasty ass. Look, fuck. My armpit hair and shit.
I told you about that shit. Bears are gonna fucking get scared.
What I tell you about that shit, babe? Are your fucking nose hairs?
Hey, it's your armpit hair.
Tell you about that shit. Alright guys, here, we can see the RV a little bit better from over here.
We can. Oh yeah, we can.
Look at that shit, guys. Literally, it's like a I actually want to go explore that shit. Alright, but anyways, besides that,
there's a bunny right there right now.
go with your family, babe. I'm playing, guys. That's not his family. So I think we made it out. Did we? Yeah. So the RV is not that far from the actual trails. Okay. This is where we entered from, guys. Well, we entered the other way over there. I don't know if you guys could see it because of the lighting, but we entered it. It's raining, guys, over there. I feel like getting wet. But there's 2 entrances. Alright, guys. So one of them is right there, and the other one is over there, which is where we entered from. So you want to say anything?
Come visit the nature center, guys. You know, it's a cool place. They got fucking animals and shit. You know, I'm gonna stop the video right here because there's people right there. But you know, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.
There, babe. Authorized vehicles only. I don't want you fucking people out here getting locked up for stupid shit like that. Ooh, watch out. Fuck, I almost fell. That's how it looks, guys. This time for real. Make sure to leave a like.
Be sure to leave a like to us. Subscribe. You know, A1 right here. There's A1 and Ruby right here.
Nigga.
Peace.
Peace.